There are 7 important first steps you will want to take as you launch your business. Step 1. Schedule a business launch meeting with your upline distributor or leader. Your upline distributor is the person who introduced you to Neolife. The team you joined also has other successful leaders. They are the first and best resources for training and support. But always remember that this is your business and you have what you need to get started. Step 2. Make note of your Neolife ID number. This is your unique business number that you will use when ordering products or signing up new distributors. I recommend you write this down or save it on your phone so it is always available. Step 3. Make note of your back office login details. This would have been sent to you on SMS and email. Call your local distributor center if you have not received these details. Step 4. Make sure you know how to place your next order and how to sign up a new distributor. These 2 activities can be done online through your Neolife back office website or the back office app on your phone or through the WhatsApp, ordering and m-commerce via SMS. Speak to your upline distributor or leader for more information. Step 5. Know your personal replicating website link and login details. Your replicating website is where you will send friends and prospects to shop as customers and sign up as distributors. It will be shopneolife.com/your personal link. Step 6. Attend your upline team training to have better understanding of the business and how it works, and set you on the path of growth. At the training, required skills and the knowledge is shared on how to build the business. This knowledge and skill will help you in no small measure to build your business. Step 7. Attend companies' events. Register and attend companies' events like Impact Summit, Senior Manager School, Director Seminar, and World Team Workshop. Here you meet other business builders like you and get trained on how to build your business by company executives and other successful distributors. We are excited to have you on the team, so make sure that you take advantage of these first steps in your business.